Hey guys, so today we have a spontaneous trip to Knott's and I'm gonna take you guys with me. My family is all here. We just have to meet them. And yeah. You done? You guys, tell me that doesn't look like Indian in the cupboard.
What is up? Nicole just went to the restroom. We are at Knott's. And you guys have noticed me wearing the same outfit almost every time. I just got this for Christmas, so I usually wear it till it's worn out.
So we're inside. We're waiting for my family. They're taking a little bit too long, so we're gonna walk to go get some food because I'm starving and Danny's doing the thing again.
What thing?
So we just ate a buffalo chicken sandwich.
Pretty bomb.
I didn't like it, honestly. Don't lie to them.
How many altogether? I thought it was pretty bomb.
Don't lie to my people.
I mean, look at me, everything's bomb.
But we're gonna go on some horses right now. See?
Please follow the directions of the assistant.
I got this hat right here for my mom. Well, I didn't get it for her. A company sent it to me.
But I got it.
And she took it for me. I'm supposed to, no. She took it for me. Guess who's on my vlog again? Gianna Bell. What ride are we going on, G? Horse. We're going on horses? Let's do this then. Hey! What?
I saw the shadow of the horse.
The horses are coming. The horses are coming.
Ants feel
It's cold and windy.
Yes. Let's go. Actually, Kaylee should be careful. Grandma. Actually, Kaylee should be careful because
We're walking out to meet one of my brother and Danny's friends that they play with. That's my ugly brother.
What up?
By the way, it's really cold right now at Knott's, and I'm this close to going home. We haven't even gone on a ride yet, but it's freezing. But I think I'm gonna get Starbucks in a bit, and then go back in the park and see how I feel. If not, we're gonna go home.
When you drive in there, it's to the right. And the car closest to.
My brother's never met his friend before.
I have, not him, but I met Shynock. What up, Shynock, if you watch this video?
We all placed a bet to see what he looks like, and I don't think he looks like what we said.
No.
Doesn't look like him, guys. I don't want to get out. It's cold.
Told you I had Portos. That's mom's though. That's mom's.
Want some? You want some? Okay, now we're on our way to go get Starbucks because I'm thirsty. And it is really cold out here in this world. It's really cold, so I dared my brother to walk all day like this today. I got my Starbucks.
There's a lot of people just staring.
I know. I got my Starbucks already, and we're still walking in. My brother's gonna try to walk in like this still. So we'll see. He's still wearing it. We just went through security and he's still wearing it. I can't. We're walking in again. I can't with him.
What's so funny?
He looks so tough. Hello. Thank you. Let's go, weirdo. You're so weird.
You look fine, Mom.
He's still wearing I can't.
Where's Danny?
He's right there. What's up, man? What's up, cool guy?
What's up, bro? Come on.
He's still wearing it, guys. And no one's looking at him weird.
I'm trying to use the phone. It's like 3 layers of blanket here. You do that? That's over by.
Mama, I'm not taking a picture.
What?
Where are we going now?
To the stars.
I don't know where we're going right now.
Going to the train.
We're going to the train. The mining one?
The Calico train.
Is it the mining one?
Nothing inside the mountain one. Hey, hold on, I gotta
The water is cold.
see. Nah.
I already went.
We're on, what ride is this? I think it's a mining train or something, I
The
don't know.
mining company.
The mining company, and we're going on it.
It looks like it's a Lord.
How about like, you can't see me.
Yes, you.
Okay.
Like that.
Look at this one. That was rainbow.
Old seldom seen Slim's done struck him some gold. Drinks on you, Slim.
Everyone's getting a funnel cake right now, but it's so cold, so I found a table inside a building with Danny. So we're just gonna wait for them, eat some funnel cake, drink some tea, and this girl always wants to be in my shot, don't you? But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'll show you a clip of my funnel cake when they bring it because I am excited for it.
But that's one time you pay and that's it for the rest of the year. You just get refills. I got this. Watch this. You see that 8 points? That 8?
You need 8 points to get what?
I don't know.
What? Hello.
What's happening?
It's cold.
It's really cold. It's cold. We're waiting for my brother to go up and play
True.
the basketball game. Let's see if he wins.
Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Oh!
Go, Daddy.
Hey! That was 5 or 6? 6.
6.
You got a basketball. The girl was like, oh, nice try. He's old.
I still got it. I'm like Kobe. I got Vino.
Daddy.
The ride aboard the Supreme Screen is now over. Please remain seated until the platform comes to a complete stop.
Daddy, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Babe, why'd you look so mad when he came down?
I don't like that, man.
Why?
He said, when we were up there, he said, I hate you guys.
You said that. He's like, nah, I'm cool. All the way up, and then all of like when we're like at the very top, he's like, I hate you guys. We're on the carousel. Gianna! We're starting. Okay guys, so that was a wrap. We're going home. It's too cold. Too cold, so we have work in the morning, so we're gonna go home and I'm gonna drink some soup and go to sleep because I don't want to get sick from this weather. And if Danny doesn't stop doing this, I swear to God. Anyways, see you guys in my next vlog. Until next time, love you.